Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You are what? Wheat or weed? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, may I beg you do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, for make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 13 from verse 24 to verse 30. Then Jesus made them hear one next story which sound like a riddle. Him say, God new world come in like somebody will plant up some good seed on him land. But when everybody asleep, one of him enemy them come plant up weed amongst him with them and going. When the plant them pop up and start bear, the weed not show up too. So the owner servant come say to him, say, Sir, you name plant good seed in your field. Then where them the weed they come from? Him say, I want enemy do this man. So the servant answer back, the one we go draw out the weed them. But him say, no, cause you might they pop out weed and go root up the wheat them too. Make the two of them grow till a time for gather we plant up. When the time they come, me will tell the workman them to gather up the weed and tie them in a one bungle for burn. But the wheat them are going to gather them up and put them in the buttery. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.